Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit clips on TikTok. So press the record button over here, and I'm just going to press upload. Then I'm going to select some videos to edit and press next. Okay, it's still downloading. And then you are just going to go to adjust clips. Here you can drag the clip to, for instance, you want this to be at the end, you can drag it over there. You can also add clips by pressing this plus button. And for instance, you don't want to sync it to the sound, you can press default and edit the clips yourself. You can do that. And if you want to, and if you want to sort of edit the clip one by one, you can click on it and edit it here. And then once you're done, you're just going to press the check mark button. Or if you don't want to edit it, you're just going to press the X button. And you can also delete the clip from the sort of montage, so just press delete if you want. And that is basically it. You're just going to press save. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!